Hello everyone, I am Shobhit, and today I am sharing one realization that will help some stammerers and probably non-stammerers also. तो हुआ क्या, recently I was in a call to discuss some issue when I realized a very interesting thing about myself. When I'm in an actual block, not the one that I created, but the one which comes naturally to me. होता क्या है, जब भी मैं ब्लॉक में जाता हूँ, आई विल start to put too much stress, and that stress will transfer from my mind to my body. So स्ट्रेस हम लोग अपनी बॉडी में कैसे पुट करते हैं? लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल. जब कभी आपने लिफ्ट करा हो कुछ हैवी वेट, you will put your whole body in a very tense situation so that it works as a single machine. Similar thing we stammerers do when we are when we are in a block and we try to get out of the block. In order to get out of the block, we start to push too much stress. This I'm talking about the childhood. We start to push too much effort to just let the word out. So we will take the situation as we are lifting something heavy, and then what will happen? The breath will get stuck in the body. It won't be coming out. So suppose I am in a block. This you might see if I am in a block. Suppose I have to say मुझे कानपुर जाना है. I will say मुझे कान. My whole jaw and neck muscles will be very tight, and then the word will never come out. And then what will I do is I will start to use the techniques in that situation only. So I am in a block. I am in a My whole body is in a very stressed situation, and I am trying to do the practice. So it will be like I have stressed a rubber band very hardly, and I'm trying to uh, uh, stretch it even further. Obviously it will break, but in order to stretch it again, we have to first release it back to the normal state. So my body is in a stressed situation, and if I use the technique, it's not going to help, because obviously there is nothing more to stretch, nothing more to put. The word won't be coming out. So it will sound like मुझे क क क क क क कानपुर जा क. बट अगर मैं उसी जगह पे एक हल्का सा ब्रेक कर दूं, ब्रेथ को पूरी तरीके से छोड़ दूं, एंड देन कम बैक, तो क्या होगा? मुझे कानपुर जाना है. So this is like in our normal life. This also happens whenever we get in a stressful situation. We keep doing something, one or the other. We keep doing. We don't stop to take seat back, and probably this will help if we take a step back and then start again, because as I said, you cannot stress an already stressed band. You have to release it back to get into the normal situation. So probably this will help uh, other stammerers to learn more about their stammering, and non-stammerers to learn about their normal daily life. Thank you.